Bring Alien some cow friends for his journey. I don't know where to bring the cows. Oh no, Frankie, I'm so sorry. Where are the cows? It's a curse. I'm sorry. No! Don't you go in the pool. Oh, I just have to bring it to the spaceship. Okay, I gotcha. It's going good. I have New Game Plus, so I do the same levels again, but with some extra objectives, and they're kind of fun. Thought I lost the cow for a second. Oh, there's two? I can take 2 cows at once. How are you? How is you? Also, my pain is getting better, which is very nice. I'm missing 1, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm missing 2. Here's 1. Don't worry, Cowie, you're going off to a better planet. Oh, I do have all the cows now. Let me reunite you with your spaceship. Bye! Slowly waking up. I gotcha. Slow mornings are the best mornings. Thank you for the shout out. Okay, the rest of the objectives I don't have to do because we're New Game Plus and yeah.
Son of a bitch!
That one was fun, but a lot of work. So I don't know what New Game Plus is gonna do.